Hey guys, this is Aaron from OneSite0.net, and today we're gonna talk about how to upgrade your ROG Ally. So there are several options when it comes to the storage, alright? And today we're gonna upgrade the storage. So the first option is use this. So this is actually a NVMe internal drive. So this is actually coming from WD, Western Digital. So this model is the SN740, and this one, the capacity is actually 1 terabyte. So the ROG Ally is actually compatible with such small size SSD only. You cannot put the regular size SSD to it, and you have to use NVMe SSD. So another option is to use this. Now this is actually the micro SD card. Alright, you can expand anywhere, minimum of maybe 32 gigabyte upwards to 1 terabyte or even 2 terabyte if you can find it. However, SD card could be pricey as well. So it is best to use the SSD, NVMe SSD, and just proceed with the upgrade. So it's very simple. All you need is just a screwdriver to actually open it up. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 screws here. So all you need to do is just unscrew it. And there you go. The ROG Ally, we have just removed the backplate, and this is how it looks like. So this is actually the 2 fans which keeps the ROG Ally cool. And the first thing you need to do is to disconnect this. So this is actually the battery connector. So all you need to do is just unplug this. There you go, it's fully unplugged. And the next thing you're going to do is remove this. So this is where the NVMe SSD resides. And as you can see over here, so the standard one comes with the 512 gig SSD. So all you need to do is just take a screwdriver and unscrew it. So you might need to use different size of screws to actually take the SSD off. So let me just check which screw is actually suitable for this. This one should be fine. So there you go. The next thing is gently push it out. Alright, you might have to wiggle a little bit, but not too much, to actually take this out. There you go. Now the original SSD has been removed, and right now we can put our brand new Western Digital 1 terabyte NVMe drive. So normally, when you're installing on a standard motherboard or your laptop, usually you have to put it a certain degrees to actually push in. So this one, you do not need to do that. Just lay it flat and push it in, and it should fit in just nicely. And the next thing you should do is screw it back. Just simple as that. Now, just a note, don't screw it too tight. Once it's firmly there, it will stay there. So you do not need to overscrew it or screw it too tight. And the next thing you're going to do is, one thing that most people forget is reconnecting back the power. So you need to reconnect it back. Alright, just push it down, and there you go. fits just nice. So the next thing is, what else? Screw it back all together. Alright, all looks good. There you go. Alright. Oh, all click in just nicely. So the next thing you can do is, alright, plug it to the charger. There, everything is light up. The charging status is light up. Hold the volume button and press on the power button till it vibrates. Let it boot. So right now we are at the BIOS screen, and it should look something like this. So let's go to the advanced mode. Advanced. And you can see here, ASUS Cloud Recovery. So let's go back to advanced again. Tap on the ASUS Cloud Recovery. There is a statement that you need to accept. 20, above the age of 20 years. Yeah, of course. So it will check for network information, and you have to sign in to your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. Let me just sign into my Wi-Fi. There you go, connection succeeded. And it will actually connect to ASUS server to actually check for the device information such as your serial number and whatnot, to confirm this is an actual ROG Ally, so that you can download. So whatever you have, if let's say you are not using a new drive, you are using an existing drive, maybe from your another laptop or another external storage. So once you have installed the SSD inside with an existing file, everything will be deleted and wiped off from your existing from this SSD that you have installed in. So if it's new, it's alright, there's no file inside. If let's say you have stored something before, therefore everything will be deleted, it will be wiped off everything, and now it's actually downloading the file. So this will just take quite a bit. So I guess I will just end my video from here, because once it gets restarted, maybe it will get restarted for a couple of times, 2 to 3 times, and after that you will go to the standard or OBE, out of the box experience. So it's the same as the first time when you bought the ROG Ally. So that's pretty much it. And one more note, if let's say if you are using a micro SD card, make sure you have done all the setup, boot completely into Windows, sign into Steam and whatnot. After that, then it is best after that you only put back your micro SD card to your ROG Ally. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like this video, and remember to subscribe to us. This will help us a lot in creating more content, whether it's handheld PC, mobile devices, laptops, motherboards. We have things to review over here on our channel. So once again, my name is Aaron, signing off, and I stay safe, and I shall see you in the next one.